Today we will discuss how to find hybridization geometry and shape with VSEPR theory. तो सबसे पहले हम z की वैल्यू निकालेंगे where z will give us the number of bond pairs plus number of lone pairs और z का फार्मूला है half into number of valence electrons on central atom plus number of monovalent atoms attached with it plus negative charge if any minus positive charge if any. तो इससे हमें z की वैल्यू पता चल जाएगी और z की वैल्यू will give us the hybridization and the geometry. Suppose z की वैल्यू 2 आती है then it is sp hybridization and geometry will be linear. Z equal to 3 then sp2 and the geometry will be trigonal planar. If z equal to 4 it is sp3 and geometry will be tetrahedral. If z equal to 5 then it will be sp3d and the geometry will be trigonal bipyramidal. तो इस तरह से हमें जो है ज्योमेट्री पता चल जाएगी. ओके देन उसके बाद हम जो है लोन पेयर्स निकालेंगे बिकॉज वी वांट टू फाइंड द शेप आल्सो. तो उसके लिए नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी एंड नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर्स इज गिवन बाय z minus number of surrounding atoms or we can say number of sigma bonds. So that will give us the number of lone pairs. Okay. And if the number of lone pairs is 0, that means there is no lone pair, then shape will be same as geometry. And if there is a non-zero lone pair, if say lone pair is 1 or 2, then shape will be different than geometry. So इसके लिए हम कुछ examples लेंगे, then it will be made clear to you. So let us take 3 examples. First of methane, then ammonia, and then water. Okay, so for methane, the Z will be half into number of valence electrons on carbon, that is 4, plus number of monovalent atoms, that is 4. So it will be 4. And the geometry will be sp3 hybridization, so geometry will be tetrahedral. And number of lone pairs will be 0. Okay, because Z minus number of surrounding atoms is 4, so number of lone pairs is 0. So shape will be same as geometry, so shape will also be tetrahedral. अब अमोनिया में देख लेते हैं Z will be half into number of electrons on valence atoms. Number of valence electrons on central atom, that is 5 plus 3 is the number of monovalent atoms. So this will be nothing but 4. So again the hybridization is sp3 and the geometry is tetrahedral. But what about lone pairs? Here number of lone pairs is not 0, but it is Z minus number of surrounding atoms, that is 3. So it is one lone pair. So shape will not be equal to geometry. And we will see what will be the shape. अब वाटर में देख लेते हैं H2O में Z equal to half into number of valence electrons on central atom is oxygen, so it is 6 plus number of monovalent atoms 2, so it will be 4. So hybridization is again sp3, geometry is again tetrahedral. What about the lone pairs? Here lone pairs is Z minus number of surrounding atoms is 2, so we can say that lone pairs is 4 minus 2, that is 2. So 2 lone pairs are there, so geometry will not be shape will not be same as geometry. So how we will find out? Let us see how to find out the shape. Okay, so for say CH4, this geometry and shape will be same, so it will be like this. This is for methane, where each angle will be 109 degree, 28 minutes. What about ammonia? Ammonia has one lone pair, as we just found out. So this is the lone pair. Okay, now this shape will be, we have to cover the lone pairs, so shape will be pyramidal, it will not be tetrahedral. Okay, and the angle here will be less than 109 degree, 28 minutes. Here it was 109 degree, 28 minutes. What about water? Say this is our oxygen and this is H, and there are two lone pairs like this. Okay, so here the shape will be V shape. Okay, we have to cover the lone pairs, so it will be V shape. Okay, inverted V, also V shape, or we can say it is a bank shape. Okay, and here it was pyramidal shape. So that is how, and the angle will be even less than this angle. So we can say that if this is angle theta 1, this is angle theta 2, and this is angle theta 3, then theta 1 will be greater than theta 2, will be greater than theta 3. Okay, and this angle will be less than even that of here. Here it is around 107 degree, and here it will be around 105 degree. So this angle will be 105 degree. Okay. And this is due to the greater repulsion between lone pairs as compared to lone pair, and lone pair repulsion is more as compared to bond pair. This is as per the VSEPR theory. Thank you and wish you all the best.